Your home is supposed to be your sanctuary. It's the one place in the world that feels solid, immovable. But what happens when the walls start shifting, the floors tilt, or your basement walls begin to bow inward? That's when your home is sending out a distress signal. It's crying out for anchor support. I'm Justin here at Dalinghaus Construction. For years, we've been the trusted experts installing thousands of foundation wall anchors and helical tiebacks across California and Arizona. These systems aren't just a simple fix. They're the engineered solution that stops a serious structural problem from turning into a full-blown disaster. If you've typed foundation repair into Google, you need to understand exactly what anchor support is and if your home needs it. What exactly is anchor support? Simply put, these systems are designed to stabilize and straighten the foundation walls that are under intense pressure or are actively shifting. We use two primary types: helical tiebacks. These are long steel rods screwed deep into the competent soil at an angle to essentially pull and hold walls back into place. And wall plate anchors. These are steel plates installed on the interior wall connected to rods driven deep into the yard, used to brace bowing basements or retaining walls. Both of these powerful systems work by actively counteracting the enormous soil pressure that's pushing against your home's foundation. Let's talk about the red flags. How do you know if your walls are in trouble? You need to be a detective in your own home. Sign 1 is horizontal cracks. If you see a straight crack running sideways along a wall, especially in a crawl space or basement, that is a huge problem. It means soil pressure is building up, constantly pushing your wall inward. Over time, that pressure will cause the wall to bow, lean, or fail completely. Sign number 2, bowing or bulging walls. Stand at the far end of the room and look down the length of the wall. Does it curve inward? Are there spots that look swollen or pushed in? This is often the result of hydrostatic pressure. Water soaks soil, creating immense force. This isn't cosmetic, this is a structural movement, and foundation wall anchors can restore the wall's alignment and halt further damage. Sign 3, doors or windows that stick or won't latch. When your foundation walls shift laterally, it throws the entire house frame off square. Interior doors and windows suddenly jam, tilt, or refuse to close properly. If you've adjusted the door frame multiple times and the problem keeps coming back, the root cause could be lateral movement that requires foundation anchor support to fix. Sign 4, leaning or cracked retaining walls. If you have a retaining wall holding back soil in your yard and it's starting to lean downhill or show signs of cracking, it means the wall is losing the battle against the pressure of the earth it's holding. Helical anchors or tiebacks are specifically designed to add that permanent support needed to hold the wall upright. So, why is this happening? Especially here in California and Arizona, we deal with 3 major culprits. First, expansive clay soils. Our soils shrink when dry and swell dramatically when wet, putting enormous inconsistent pressure on foundation walls. Second, poor drainage or water buildup. Heavy rains or poor yard grading can saturate the soil right next to your foundation, dramatically increasing that hydrostatic pressure we talked about. And finally, in seismic areas like California, earthquakes or constant vibration can weaken a wall over time. The good news is, if your walls are cracking, bowing, or leaning, you do not have to tear them out or start from scratch. Anchor systems offer a proven, long-lasting solution. At Dalinghaus Construction, we don't just treat the symptom, we fix the actual cause. Here's how our foundation process works, and how we make it as simple as possible for you. It all starts with a free, no-obligation inspection. Our certified technicians check your walls, measure the movement, and use specialized tools to determine what is happening beneath the surface. Based on the soil, your structure, and the layout, we design a custom anchor plan using the right combination of helical tiebacks or wall plate anchors. This plan is tailored specifically to your home. Then comes the installation. Our goal is minimal disruption to your home and yard. We install the system efficiently, most jobs are completed in just 1 or 2 days, and we stand by our work with ongoing support and warranties. We're committed to making sure your foundation stays stable for the long run. So, with all the foundation companies out there, why Dalinghaus Construction? We've installed well over 2,000 anchor support systems. Our crews are foundation certified experts in both California and Arizona. You get a clean, professional, and efficient service, but most important, no pressure sales. We only recommend solutions you actually need, we inspect, we explain, and we only fix what makes sense for your home. Now, for a couple of quick questions we get all the time. Are wall anchors permanent? Yes. When properly installed, they can stop the movement, and they can even be adjusted over time to straighten the wall further. Do I have to dig up the whole yard? Absolutely not. Most of our anchor systems require only small, focused access points in the yard or basement. We keep the mess contained. Cracks in the wall, doors that won't close, or bowing blocks aren't just part of an old house. They are clear, actionable signs that your home is under pressure and it needs professional help. Don't wait for a small crack to become a catastrophic failure. Schedule your free, no obligation inspection with Dalinghaus Construction today. We'll tell you exactly what's happening, why it matters, and how we can fix it. Because your home should feel solid, always. Thanks for watching, and remember, never settle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.